Welcome back to DLM Campervans. Today we have a Mini-T Campervan on a Ford Transit Connect. Front wheel drive, 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Fits in a standard 7-foot garage. Comes with solar, over-the-air antenna, 10-speed reversible fan, also an awning, comfortable couch, folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. Under the bed you find foldable portable toilet and some storage totes, TV, DVD player, microwave, sink, freshwater, gray water, table, thermostatically controlled refrigerator. Starter kit includes a stove, butane fuel, magnetic screens, Mini-T Campervans always come with a hitch. Works great for bicycle rack, storage rack, or for towing. Shore power plug. Everything inside the Mini-T can be used even if you're not plugged in at a campsite. Privacy is obtained with the front privacy curtain, WeatherTech sunshades if you want in the front windows, and the rear windows are also limo tinted. As mentioned before, it fits in a standard garage, making it a great daily vehicle, so you don't have the maintenance of a camper van plus a vehicle. Check out the full details on our website, DLM-Distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!